Hi, I'm Mona. I'm the unit housekeeping manager for Maswick North Housekeeping at the South Room. And here are the steps for cleaning a guest room. First, you want to knock on the door, announce yourself as housekeeping. We always want to be looking out for any do not disturb signs and any double locked doors. Once you've knocked on the door and you've entered the room, you want to look out for any luggage that might be still in the room. The next thing you would do would be to strip, what we call stripping and stocking, which means that we strip out the room of dirty linen, including the towels and the bed sheets and pillowcases. We remove that and put them in a bag and then take them out to the curb for the laundry to pick up. Then we bring in the clean linen, which would consist of sheets, pillowcases, bath towels, hand towels, washcloths, bath mats, and then we place the towels on the racks as the room has not been cleaned yet. After that, we would start fixing up the bed, and that consists of putting on your fitted sheet, putting on a flat sheet, putting on the blanket, and then another sheet on top, and then tucking all those in as you go along. After that, you would put on the pillowcases, and so you would put those up and then line them up neatly on the bed. We would then go into the restroom and spray all the surfaces first, and then we would scrub with a scrubbing pad. The toilet would be the last thing that we would clean in the room because we don't want to move their germs. After that, we would go ahead and collect all the garbage from the room, put them into the garbage bags, always looking out for any lost and found items. Then we would vacuum the room. The last thing we would do when we're completely done is to look around the room one more time. Did we forget anything? We need to make sure that everything is neatly placed in the room. And then your room is ready.